Sheila and welcome to today's video. I got a new box on my channel and I'm super excited. It has been killing me not to use this box. I've had it for like 5 days now and I have not been able to use the products because I wanted to film this video for you guys. But I have it now. I'm going to record it and I am going to get to use this stuff today. But this box is called the skincare box. Yeah. How have I not seen this box before? I'm just so excited. I love skincare and a good skincare box is right up my alley. So here are the details about the box. I'll keep it short and simple. Inside each box, you'll discover cult favorites paired with new finds. And their membership, you can pause, skip, and cancel at any time. They have 2 memberships available. It only comes out every 2 months. The first membership, you only get 3 products, but they're all full-size products, and that's called the Essentials, and that's $37. Or you can get the skincare box, which is what I got, and you get 5 products for $47. That's the basics of the skincare box. Now, I discovered this box through a fellow YouTuber. Her name is Julie Smith. I will leave a link right up here to go watch her channel. I do not have a discount code, so if you are interested in getting this box, I would highly recommend. I'll leave a link right up here. Just go click on her video up here, and she has a discount code because I used it and got 20% off my first box. So if you are interested in getting this box, go watch Julie's channel, and you can get the 20% off discount. Okay, so let's go ahead and we're gonna open this and we're gonna see all the goodies that they sent. When you open it up, this is the way it looks. It's beautifully packed. The theme of this month's box is called The Ritual, and they gave the postcard with all this information on here about all the products in here. So let's go ahead. We're gonna get into the first item, and this is a cleansing gel, and this is called Dewdrops, and the retail value of this is $65. Right here is the price of the box, over the price of the box. And this is a cleansing gel. Ooh, it looks kind of neat looking. So how you use this, you massage a generous portion on dry face and neck, moving in a circular motion to dissolve makeup and daily grime. Remove with a warm, wet face cloth or emulsify with a few drops of warm water and rinse off. So that looks very interesting. It is definitely a gel-like consistency. You can see. Wow, pretty neat. I'm excited to use this, guys. And like I said, this is a $65 value and the price of the box is $47. But it wasn't even that if you use the discount code that I was telling you about in the beginning of the video. Okay, so that was the first item, which is a cleansing gel. And then the second item out is this, and this is green nectar, and this is a hydrator. So this is gonna hydrate your skin. And the price on this is $60. I am liking this box, guys. And this is the way it looks. And it says, apply 1 to 2 pumps onto slightly damp skin, massage with fingertips or press gently until it is fully absorbed. And what it says on the box, it says, a little goes a long way with this extraordinary gem. Borrowing from land and sea, this liquid silk provides the most intensive and gratifying hydration for thirsty skin cells. It quenches and nourishes. It has a slight smell to it, very pleasant, clean smell. And it is a very silky feeling. So this feels like this is going to be a great hydrator. And look at this bottle, guys. This is absolutely a beautiful bottle. So the next product out is called Barrier Warrior. Barrier Warrior. Wow, that's quite a tongue twister for me at least. And what this does is repair your skin. And the price on this is $68. There's some good stuff in here, guys. And what this says, it says it repairs your skin and apply pea-sized amount and massage in. Depending on your skincare, can be used on its own or with other mists, serums, and oils for additional dose of hydration. Look at these bottles. This is absolutely beautiful. And it comes with its own dropper, and it's like a thick lotion. Oh, that looks like that's going to be very moisturizing. It has a slight smell, almost like it's reminded me of cucumbers. I wonder if there is cucumbers in this. It's kind of green like cucumbers, but beautiful bottle, glass bottle once again. And the price on that was $68. And then the last two items we have are masks. And the first one is called Good Earth. And this is a CoQ10 and vitamin mask. And this purifies and repairs and nourishes your skin. And how you use this, it says spread a thin layer on clean, dry skin. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. I like a 10 to 15 minute mask. And allow the bioactives to feed and nourish your skin. Before rinsing off with warm water, use 1 to 2 times a week depending on your skin's needs. And it says it works wonders as a spot treatment too. Dab on troubled spots and leave on for a few hours or even overnight if your skin can handle it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it and show you guys. Oh, look how it looks. I don't smell anything on this. So that looks very good, and it's good that you can leave it on overnight if your skin can handle it. But I'm going to try this. All these bottles, oh my goodness, they're all glass bottles. This is absolutely great. And the retail value of this is $48. Right here, the price of the box. I'm done. And these bottles are absolutely beautiful. Okay, and then the last one out is this one, and this is called 1,000 Petals, and this is also a face mask. And this renews and revitalizes. And what they say about this is the same thing, a 10 to 15 minute mask spread on a liberal amount on clean, dry skin. Activate the flower acids and fruit acids as you rinse off with warm water. Massage subtly to polish away dead skin cells. Use 1 to 2 times a week depending on your skin's needs. And this is the way this looks. This one is white. It has no smell, nothing that I can detect. It looks like a rich lotion that you would rub on 10 to 15 minutes. And this one is going to polish away dead skin cells. So awesome. I mean, this is great from beginning to end. So I think I have a new box to my channel, guys. So let's do the wrap up. This is the Dew Drops, and this was the cleansing gel. And then the second one was a hydrator, which is the Green Nectar. The Green Nectar, that's funny, the Green Nectar is actually white looking. And then the next one was a ceramide gel that repairs your skin, and it's actually green, but it's called the Barrier Warrior, and that's to help with moisturizing and repairing. And then you had two face mask. You had the 1,000 Petals, which got rid of dead skin cells, and then you got the other one called Good Earth, which is a face mask too, and this one purifies and repairs. So 5 great skincare products. I think this is going to be a fantastic addition to my channel. So what do you guys think of this box? To me, I'm absolutely blown away. The value on this box is $289. Like I said, I paid $47 and I used the discount code, which gave me 20% off. Remember to use Julie's channel. Go right up here in the corner, click on her video now, and she has a discount link for 20% off, which is like $10. So definitely use her discount code if you're interested in getting this box.
Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, yeah, yeah.